What else you got for us?
Last thing before I head out, and we get the Gundam expert in.
The Gundam expert.
I've been busy. Not really. Just working a little bit.
The Schwimmwagen.
The Schwimmwagen.
And
now
TFG's done a little caricature.
What do you reckon?
3D.
Is it 144 scale?
Yes.
I reckon it's probably 144.
And just like the real thing, you've got a fat head.
I've got a thick neck, if anything.
Thick.
I've been told I have rugby neck sometimes.
Rugby neck. That's when people are trying to choke you.
Oh,
Let's have a look at little Schwimmwagen.
Sure.
What have you been up to?
Why is the light so bad?
Tell us all about it.
Here we go. There we go. I had it at the wrong angle.
Did you?
So it's very fragile. I'll give it that. I don't actually want...
Well,
I don't even like handling it right now.
It's not for the sandpit, mate. You're not meant to play with it.
I'm going to go through everything I've snapped on this thing.
Really? You snapped it?
I've snapped, like, both of the front wheels have come off. The mirrors come off. This antenna piece of shit thing's come off. The paddle has come off, which actually does need a lot more work. The gear shifter's come off as I've been handling it. These little hooks on the back, both of them have come off.
You're rough.
I'm not rough. It's just
No?
these parts are so small and fragile that, like, they keep coming off.
That's a cutie. I love it. It sort of looks like a frog from the front.
It
like
does
with
look
the
like a
tires,
little bit
doesn't
of a
it?
frog. With the
Right up.
with these little
Yeah.
headlights.
I love
But
it.
it's currently like in this really weird state at the moment. I miss William. I don't. Don't care. Move on. Say something better. It's currently in this really weird state where I've given it a semi-gloss clear so I can put a wash down on it and it doesn't just spiderweb over the whole thing.
Why would you put semi-gloss? Why not just matte?
No, because matte, it will disperse over the whole thing.
Oh, will it?
Like the wash will not hold. So I use semi-gloss because it's not gloss enough that's just annoying, but it's not flat that is going to actually just ruin the wash.
Okay.
So the wash still goes through all the panel lines. And I've predominantly used black and brown so far.
Panel lines?
Yeah. And I've done a little bit of... This is the one reason that I hate gloss.
Are you going to
for
bring
these
it
kind of
into
things.
Model Expo 2026?
Well, it'd be good to. I can't promise anything, but...
Depends if you do a good enough job, I suppose.
No,
No?
it just depends whether I finish it or not.
What do you mean? It's nearly done, isn't it?
Well, it's so... I don't know. I guess we'll see. But essentially, I have to put a flat... Next step is I'm going to put a flat coat on it. And the texture of this thing is disgusting.
What, the plastics, is it?
No, like after I've semi-glossed it.
Oh.
Like it sticks to my fingers when I'm handling it.
Oh, really?
Which just does not feel nice at all.
What did you use, if you don't mind? Did you do it through an airbrush or a rattle can?
No, I used a rattle can.
Yeah.
So, God forbid you use a flat coat out of a rattle can. I don't feel comfortable doing it because it's so thick. You can, but the idea with the matte coat is I can use a lot less out of my airbrush, obviously. Even semi-gloss I could. But I can use a heap less just by letting it dry a little before it hits the model.
Yeah.
So it goes on kind of dry. And then it's matte, like immediately. And it's quite a nice matte. Whereas out of a rattle can, it's just going to douse the thing. Which is fine for semi-gloss and gloss, because you want them to go on wet.
It'll dry.
Yeah, but
No.
it'll still come out semi-gloss,
Oh, will it?
in my opinion.
If you
yeah.
put too much down.
If you put it wet. Yeah.
Mm.
So that's where it is. It's at this weird stage where it's glossy and you can't see any of the details I've done with shading because it's so shiny.
Shiny Schwimmwagen.
I've snapped these in half, as you can see there. Attempted gluing them back in. These braces for the side.
Because this is an all-new kit from Tamiya, is that right?
No.
Semi
all-new kit.
Okay.
There's new parts.
New parts.
New figures, new cabin parts. So this whole model, the wheels are new. They're a different style of wheel from the previous one, which I think we just got the old version in as well. You couldn't fold this window down.
Yep.
And put the canvas on it. I think you could fold it down, but it didn't have the canvas, which is kind of important for when they're going through the water. And this MG mount, this gun mount, they had the handle to put it on in the last one, but you couldn't actually mount the gun.
That seems a bit silly.
Yeah, and then in the back as well, eventually it'll have two Panzerfaust. Panzerfausts. They are rocket launchers.
Rocket launchers.
German bazookas.
Yeah?
So yeah.
Germanic.
That's it.
Don't keep playing with that. You'll break it.
That bit won't. That will be fine. It's just
Is it properly hinged or is it meant to flop around?
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that?
it's properly hinged. They do want you to glue it into place, but the way you don't need to.
Don't need to? Well, you might change modes whether you want it up or down.
That's right, depending on who's looking it in the show.
You could do like a beautiful diorama with like a water effect, right?
It going into the water
like
or
a little
something.
bit submerged in water. Like a little propeller going. Oh, I don't know. You'd be right.
Well, there's one for you to do if you want to do that.
No, I'll wait for James to do it.